woke up feeling like me today. Woke up slacking like who? Baby, don't follow, I lead the way. I got what you want and what you need. Come get a 2 for 1. Bitch, an extra in a 2B movie. Can't get pound for none.
Alright, y'all, we are in the RC F. I got a
camera shy.
Alright, yeah, this my boy with the RC F.
What's up?
Another V8, bro. Hold on, let me get out of 0.5.
5.0, bro.
Yeah, another 5.0, bro. So if y'all don't know about the RC F, it's pretty much the same engine. Oh, you can't turn right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, dang.
Damn. This is my first introduction to the channel.
Yeah, you already took a wrong turn.
It's okay. It's okay. We're just taking a scenic.
I like how, like, your car feels like a car. My joint feels like a boat.
For real?
Yes, bro. My car is long.
I feel like we're the same size, though. I don't know.
Nah.
It's been a while since I said it.
Oh, that's my seatbelt.
Where is it?
I don't got the wingspan for this. Race mode.
Not a race mode. This is eco brake.
Oh. Dang, that's what you got coilovers. Take the highway. So your car sound all defined and sounds good. I don't sound like a freaking chaotic. Yeah. That's how a car is supposed to sound.
I mean, yours do too. Yours do something scary. Though.
Nah, you go here. It's like Godzilla.
I'm probably just gonna park right here. I'm not going in the garage.
This man didn't bring it. Okay. He was supposed to be bringing me a breaker bar so I can get my stuck lug nuts off my car.
Wait,
he did not bring it.
Everything's missing. What the fuck?
Who that? What happened? If you don't have it, it's fine.
I don't have it.
It's fine. It's fine. I'll show you the car still.
So this would be too small, right?
Yeah, this is way too small.
Mine are small. I need you.
It's cool.
That's what I want to see. So when you went to...
I wish I'd have brought my gimbal. This is the first time I've seen a Porsche here. It's pretty nice too. I don't know my Porsches. When it gets to a certain price range, I just don't pay attention to it. Okay, here we are. So this means cold start. Oh, probably.
Like you can't even take your lock off.
Nah, I can't take the lock off. I was stripping that too. And my BMW, they broke the lock on that. And that was a hassle. So I'm not trying to deal with that again.
This shit does not look that much on it.
When I be driving it just feels like it. Ugh. Got that bit snail in the front. It's kind of dark in here. Probably should have this outside.
Yeah, that's fine though. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got that fender well intake. I got a catch can right here. I bought one of these yesterday to go on top of the catch can over here. And then all my stuff got like recirculated. I don't know what they did to it.
Did this come apart?
No, I put that in there. Yeah. Now let me turn it on for you. I'm gonna open the exhaust, so scared. Whoa. Temps. You want to hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I got you. Can you smell the gas?
Not really.
It's kind of starting to leak up.
As soon as I come back here, I smell that shit.
Yeah, dude. Okay, I'm letting it warm up now.
But damn. Yeah, these are some big ass luggage.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Like these ones back, I think it was these I stripped. Yeah, it's these ones. These ones I was stripping. So I was trying to get those off, and they wouldn't come off. And then my impact was just stripping them. So I mean, I could use the new tool, snatch them all off, because I do have a set. I have a whole set of new lug nuts.
Why not?
So he said,
oh, this is the extractor.
Yeah. So when those teeth, he said when it starts to reverse out, it rips and digs in and pulls them out. That's why he said that's a last resort.
Yeah. Don't do that. I just want to buy like a bunch of new lug nuts.
I have a whole set.
Oh, you do?
I do. But I was gonna keep these on because they fit that one.
But even your key doesn't come out? Like
nah,
the lock.
I can't get the key out either. But if I rip them out, I can,
How can't you get the key out?
I don't know. Realistically, if anybody want to steal my tires, they can, even with the wheel lock.
Who put that on? You put it on?
Nah, I haven't touched them ever.
Maybe it's the last shop that did it. Put it on super tight, like they torque their OD.
Probably.
That might just be what it is. I just take it to the same thing to you off the first time.
But you need one of these.
Oh yeah, definitely.
You need one of those.
The unit in one. How much is this one?
500. But this is one of the best ones though. That's why.
Yeah. I even someone for 300. I'm like, you did went crazy though. I'm not gonna lie. You went from you were a Lone Star, but like
Dang near.
to Procharger and headers.
I went from 400 horsepower, 400 wheel horsepower to 700. Yeah. This thing sounds angry.
I've heard of 5.0s that sound cam.
Some of them got ghost cams.
I'm gonna say you can't cam a Ford.
You can. They just don't chop.
This shit sounds like a jet though.
Yeah, it's crazy because nobody knows what this is. Like nobody break their necks unless you're a car guy.
Yeah.
They have absolutely. They probably think I got like a belt slip or something.
It's because, you know, you see Mustangs are pretty common. But I seen a 5.0 up the street actually. It had a carbon trunk.
Was it a red one?
It was a real one.
I saw him too. I went to his Instagram.
And it had he had stickers on it. He had the vented fenders. I thought it was carbon fiber, but it wasn't. It was just black vented fenders.
Is Trump talking today or something? Because he got a F Trump sign and I heard speakers earlier.
I don't know, but type shit.
Okay.
I'm gonna go that way.
I'm not.
There's a lot of traffic that way. Maybe this way.
Mind you, I don't have tires, so I didn't do nothing for real.
How this shit pushed me into my seat for sure. Oh god. God, this shit is so aggressive.
Mind you, didn't hit boost.
Oh shit.
That's just car. That's all car right there.
Did it feel like that before the Procharger?
Nah.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna go left and come back around.
Because Procharger helps with low end. Right? Was it high
Top end.
Top end?
Whipples, they help blow in. They have torque everywhere. This, I hit power around 4K. Whipples are everywhere.
So it's basically the same as like a
turbo.
big turbo.
Yeah, pretty much. But turbos, I think they can climb like indefinitely. These don't. They're maxed out based off the belt.
Gotcha. See, it's low-key why I'd rather have like a twin turbo or like a Whipple supercharger. But that shit would not fit.
Nice lady.
I feel like you don't have the front windshield too.
Yeah, they can see me be generous.
You can see that big ass camera on your head too.
Yeah.
Pops.
They started doing it after I got the car back because it wasn't popping before.
For real? Yeah, I remember you saying that. This shit doesn't pop.
Yeah, it scared me the first day I got it back.
Mine's pop randomly.
It was like a jet. Here, I'm gonna close the exhaust. Yeah, it looks stock, don't it?
Yeah, from the outside. Definitely a sleeper.
I could really break traction if I feel like it, but I'm not.
Don't break traction here.
I'm not.
middle of downtown.
So what you think? Pretty fun?
You need your big one. Your big one, I'm gonna lie.
I want to go race it, but I think I'm gonna wait and let the guy dyno it.
You just need your tires and dyno. And you might be pushing more. No.
He said I could,
Yeah.
but based off what I got now, it's safe to keep it around 700.
Because what else would you need?
I need E85. That'll give me a good 8, just off of that alone, because I already got injectors.
So you don't need a flex fuel kit?
I do.
Okay.
So injectors, flex fuel, then I can run E85. But that's a whole new like fuel system I'd have to get, and that's money. Should I go? I'm gonna go around so I can take it to your car. So I can park behind it.
Yeah. Oh no, you can.
You can straight?
Actually, I don't know. Fuck, you already told me. You already went. I was about to say, I think you can turn left. Is it you?
Yeah, I can.
And then just make a U-turn or something. At my car. Follow you, you'll follow me.
You follow me, so you get the full amount.
I don't know if I want.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Fumes in my car.
Because it's definitely gonna happen. I'll follow you.
Okay.
Like it?
That bitch sound good.
Appreciate it.